Welcome, in front of me is a Realme GT Neo 3 and today I'll show you how we can insert SIM card into this phone. Now for this you will need a SIM eject tool which comes provided with the device in the box. So you can get it from there, or if you can find it you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. So once we get that, you want to take off a case if you have one on your phone. And the tray is located on the bottom of the phone on the right or left side, actually, yep, left side. So you can see right over here. Now you do have two kind of like pinholes. You have one here and one here. You want to make sure you use the one that is part of this kind of cutout. So the one closer to the edge. And then simply push the pin in. You will see that the tray pops out just a little bit, enough for you to grab it and take it out. Now on the tray you have space for two different SIM cards on either side. So you can use whichever one you want. You can occupy both of them or just one, and it doesn't really matter which one. And then insert it back into your phone. The card should start working immediately. As you can see, it's already working for me. So I'm gonna confirm my PIN and this will unlock the device or the card. So there we go, that is how you can insert your SIM card. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.